the path of perfection. It is our experience in life, and we also notice in our organizations that each one is placed where he is because of the condition of the mind intellect equipment. If we are helpful, kind, and compassionate, it is because we have a loving nature. If we are clear in our understanding and discrimination, it is because of our intellectual brilliance. The surroundings and circumstances can be adverse and disagreeable, but if we have a cultivated and sharp intellect, we are not affected as much as a person whose intellect is not sharp. They cannot influence or disturb our peace, quiet, or stability. We can stand tall and firm like a lighthouse, which is not affected by the turbulent waves which crash against it and die away. If the subtle equipment is neglected or not developed, it is tossed hither and thither by the circumstances. The vasanas are like the roots which hold the mind intellect equipment where the emotions and feelings rise. Then they express as reactions and responses in the individual. Thus, when the vasanas or tendencies are dynamic, we are active and productive. And when they are dull and inactive, our thoughts and actions are lifeless and unproductive. Personality rehabilitation to attain peace, progress, and prosperity starts with attending to the vasanas and development of proper innate tendencies. Religion does this by holding a mirror to us which shows us our subtle nature and its shortcomings. By changing and improving the vasanas, we can change the nature and texture of our thoughts and ideas. We get strength to meet the challenges in the environment and also discover the winner in us. A nation is made up of individuals. If the individuals in the society are progressive and healthy, the nation becomes strong with an atmosphere of peace and growth for all. Let us take up the responsibility of rebuilding our nation, ourselves, and the world in which we live.